back to our YouTube channel.
The Mogas family.
It's fun time.
In today's experiment, we have gotten 5 materials: 2 ice molds, acrylic colors,
Blue color. Yellow color.
and
Green color.
We also have 2 spoons and 2 plates, one with water and one without water.
Guys, keep on watching.
Guys, we have to add 4 spoons of water inside the empty plate. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna add a little bit of green color.
Can you open it? Can you open it?
Yes.
You have already opened it.
Okay. And now we're gonna mix it very well. Guys, this is the result. Now we're gonna put it in the ice mold. Guys, now I have to wait for my siblings to finish up.
now I have to add 4 spoons of water in the empty plate and add a little bit of blue color. 1, 2, 3,
And 4.
and 4. A little bit of blue color. And mix it all very well. This is the result. Now I need to put it in the ice molds.
One, 2, and 3.
Done.
Michele, ora puoi parlare. Adesso
Ragazzi, adesso devo mettere
4
4 cucchiai
di acqua.
dentro
il piatto.
dentro il piatto.
Bravo, fallo, dai.
Vuoto.
Fallo, prendi acqua adesso. 4 cucchiai. Prendi, vieni.
1,
Poi,
2
bravissimo.
e 3
E 4.
Quattro.
Che colore vuoi?
Cinque.
No, 4 abbiamo detto. Che colore vuoi?
Giallo. Nessuno mi aiuta.
Ce la fai da solo? Piano. Oddio. Oh, ok. Bene. Right now, guys. It's okay.
My
it's
brother
okay,
just
it's okay.
added-
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
My brother just added 4 spoons in the
4 spoons of water.
4 spoons of water in the empty
Plate.
plate.
Guys, keep on watching.
Ragazzi, questo è il risultato.
Guys, this is the result.
Aspetta, Megan.
No.
Wow, what an experiment. Wow, colored eyes. That's great.
Guys, we will be back soon.
See you later.
Guys, this is the final result after bringing it out from the freezer. You can play with it and also make a very fast drawing or painting before it melts away. Thanks for watching and stay well. Bye.
I was there when needed someone who wasn't